Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're making a braided Nutella bread. I hope you enjoy the recipe. For our Nutella bread, we need flour, sugar, salt, dry yeast, butter or margarine, some milk and some lukewarm water. To make our dough, the first step we need to do is take our yeast and sugar in a bowl. To this I'm adding lukewarm water. Make sure the water is not boiling. It has to be lukewarm, else your yeast will die and not activate. So we put this aside for about 8 to 10 minutes for this to activate. I'm just mixing it well. Next, I'm taking my flour in my mixing bowl. So our yeast is activated. I'm going to make a well in my flour, add in my yeast, and mix this up. Next, I'm going to add some milk and make a dough. You can knead the dough by hand in a stand mixer or in your hand blender with the spiral attachment. My dough is kneaded. To this now I'm just going to add some salt and some butter or margarine and just cream this in. So all our butter and salt is incorporated into our flour. I'm going to put this aside in a greased bowl in a warm place for up to an hour to double in size or proof. I'm going to cover this so that our dough doesn't dry out. My dough is proof. I need to knead it once and then we'll start shaping our Nutella dough. I'm going to roll this flat. I put this on my baking tray. I'm spreading Nutella all over. I'm spreading the Nutella in the center, keeping the sides free. Sprinkling with some hazelnut. And then shaping my bread. I'm putting tiny cuts on all sides of the bread dough. with the top, bring it down, and then take my two sides diagonally and just bring them together. I'm going to brush this with milk and in the oven. Our braided Nutella bread is out of the oven. I've just brushed it with butter while it's warm, and now we're ready to slice it. I hope you enjoy this recipe.